Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agricos World. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs which have been repeated in many of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Moving on to the first question. Present Director General of ICRISAT is? ICRISAT is the International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics and it is situated in Hyderabad. The present Director General of ICRISAT is Peter Carberry. Soil Health Card Scheme was launched in which year? The Soil Health Card Scheme was launched in the year 2015. Which crop is known as King of Oilseeds? The king of oilseeds is groundnut and the queen of oilseeds is sesamum. Here we shouldn't confuse with king of oilseeds and king of oils. If it is king of oilseeds, then it will be groundnut, and if it is king of oils, it will be sesamum. Which type of plough opens V-shaped furrows? Desi plough is the plough which opens the V-shaped furrows, and Desi plough is a primary tillage implement. National Food Security Mission was launched in which year? The National Food Security Mission was launched to improve the annual production of rice, wheat and pulses, and it was launched by Manmohan Singh in the year 2007. The TV broadcast for rural development was started in which year? It was started in the year 1977. Revised weight of urea bag is initially 50 kgs, but after the increase in the efficiency of the neem coated urea, the revised weight of urea bag is 45 kgs. Number of KVKs by 2020 September are. The total number of KVKs by 2020 September are 721, and the state having highest number of KVKs, that is Krishi Vigyan Kendras, is Uttar Pradesh, which is 86. Best method for quantifying the change of soil moisture is? The best method for quantifying change in soil moisture is neutron moisture meter, as it measures the H plus ions. So if there are more H plus ions, there will be more moisture content. Drop size less than 0.5 mm is called as? When the drop size is less than 0.5 mm, it is called as drizzle, and if the drop size is more than 0.5 mm to 6 mm, it is called as rain. What are the lines connecting equal sunshine hours called? The lines which connect the equal sunshine hours are called as isohells, and isobars are the lines which connect the equal atmospheric pressure. Tractor loans are which type of loans? Usually loans are divided into short term, medium term and long term loans. The loans which are taken for the crops, that is for the purchase of the seeds, fertilizers, those are the short term loans. And the loans which are taken for the procurement of the implements, then those are called as the medium term loans. And the loans which are taken for the massive structures or the huge buildings construction, those are called as the long term loans. So the tractor loans are the medium term loans. What is the damaging stage of mustard sawfly? Mustard sawfly, that is Athalia lugens proxima, the damaging stage is the larval stage. Eggplant is? Brinjal is also called as an eggplant. Most popular extra early maturing variety of red gram is? Here ICPH 8, Prabhat and Upas 120. All these come under the early maturing varieties of red gram, but Upas 120 is the extra early maturing variety which matures in 120 days. ICAR Day is celebrated on? ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agriculture Research, was established on 16 July of 1929, and every year 16 July is celebrated as ICAR Day. Next question. The total state agriculture universities under ICAR are? The total state agriculture universities under ICAR are 64, and national research centers are 14, deemed universities are 4, institutions are 65, national bureaus are 6, and the project directorates are 13. Most common method of irrigation in India is? The most common method of irrigation in India is the surface irrigation. VAT is a dash type of tax. VAT is a type of indirect tax and it is also called as a consumption tax. It is the value added at each stage of the supply chain. BT was discovered by BT, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. It was discovered by Ishivata. Clustergamy encourages dash pollination. Clustergamy is the process in which the pollination occurs even before the flower opens. So that is clustergamy, and the flowers which possess this type of pollination are called as clustergamous flowers, and it encourages the self-pollination. The flowers which have the clustergamous pollination are the groundnut, pea, barley and wheat. First stable compound of Calvin cycle contains how many number of carbons? Here Calvin cycle, it is also called as a C3 cycle or PCR, and the Calvin cycle, the first stable compound is C3 compound because the first fixed compound is the phosphoglycerate, which is 3 carbon compound, and the C3 cycle reactions are the light dependent reactions. Tomato variety which is suitable for transport and processing is, the tomato variety which is suitable for transport and processing is Punjab Chuhara. Micronutrient essential for oil synthesis. Here we should be clear that it is a micronutrient or a macronutrient. If it is a macronutrient, it will be sulfur, but there it is clearly mentioned that it is a micronutrient, so it will be magnesium. In the oil synthesis, magnesium will be essential for increasing the quality of the oil. What is the energy currency of the cell? The energy currency of the cell is ATP. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.